What's up, guys? Your boy FastLaneD, and today you might recognize this beautiful patio over here, but if you don't, it's okay. Today's gonna be a really exciting day because it's day one of the Fireblade build. All right, getting her pulled out. We got Baku in here, and we got Rain as well. But obviously, you guys are here for the Fireblade. I'm so excited. I'm tired of looking at this. I'm tired of looking at these
nuts. Got it.
A bunch of stuff, especially this piece right here, but thankfully we got the legend here. We got Manny. You guys know Manny from Moto Million, man. He's gonna get us set up correctly and get it right, man. It's been a while since you built a Fireblade.
I know, it's weird to see you here
because
I see you in Texas all the time for whatever reason, right?
I'm all over the place. We're finally in sunny, beautiful Miami. You guys can tell from palm trees in the sunshine, but I'm excited, man. This is gonna be good. The start of something new and different, and the boy's already on it, pulling her out. Yeah, back to the OG days. That red is just something else in the sun. Something else.
Have you ridden it yet or no?
Oh yeah, it's got like 250 miles. I rode it, Eve rode it, because I picked it up in Cleveland.
Woo! Woo, look at that R8, baby.
One day, we get a bigger trailer with all the bikes and the supercar with the big old white man lifted truck, you know what I'm saying? All right, Millie, day one of the build series. I'm really excited. This is the start of something super special. We're here at, as you can see, the sign and all the beautiful bikes. Moto Million. This is gonna be our first official build with them. So you guys see, look at the Ducati that they just, that's not even finished. You see the level of work they do here and the attention to detail that they pay with everything. I mean, look, from the wings to, he even swapped out these high pure calipers down here. The Olin suspension, RCS Corsa Corda, master cylinder. I mean, all the carbon, even the painted accents in here. Carbon wheels, like, all I have to say is, sheesh. Millie's getting that special treatment. This is gonna be good. If you want anything that you see in this video that we install on this bike or even on the Ducati over there or the M1K, make sure you guys check out Motomillion.com. Use my discount code to help save some money. It's FastLanegang, so check it out. And it supports the channel, of course, so love you guys. I know y'all always do it. Is that even a heart, bro? You guys can see they got this supreme, beautiful Ducati Street Fighter V4R with the carbon accents. Is this build finished? You just getting started?
No, it's the Supreme of the Supreme build we do.
Yeah, the Supreme but the Supreme.
Yeah, so that's not our bike. Everything else around here is.
Yeah.
It's a good buddy of mine. He's got a few of them. He wants to ride this. And he said that the plastic is unacceptable.
I agree.
So
I agree.
we were changing all the plastics into carbon fiber.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to be a YouTuber too, man. We're trying to make an episode by episode basis. Basically, we're done all the way up to here.
So if you guys want to see that build, make sure you check out Moto Million's YouTube channel. I'm also really excited to get on this racing sim. We're gonna fire this up once we get done with the blade build, and we'll see if we can put down the best lap time.
I don't think anyone's shown that on the
Oh, really?
Nobody's shown that on the videos.
All right, so y'all see here first. I got y'all covered, man. Y'all comment down below who is gonna put down the best lap time between me, Mako, and Vic. All right, so today is all about just nothing crazy is gonna be happening. I'd say the things that are required on every single bike that I own at least, and this is kind of like the first phase is how we'll call it. So yeah, we got our Cleveland meet going on this weekend. So I wanna get this thing not stock looking. So we're just gonna do a quick like refresh of stuff and kind of like my like non-negotiables on bikes that I always install no matter what, so that you don't have to A, break the bank, but B, also add a little personal touches here and get it feeling a little bit more personal. Yeah, I think blue's the move. Just kind of ties everything together. Y'all comment down below. You guys should have went black or blue, Mako? Blue. Yeah, definitely blue. FastLaneD does a wrench on his own bike. See me?
That's not a wrench.
He's not wrong. I gotta say that. A lot of the stuff that I do though, like I don't think it's film worthy. Like I put frame covers and stuff on my R1, little stuff like that I can do in the garage. But it's easier to just take the bike to a shop where there's actual space, good lighting, like all that other stuff. But I do want to build the garage to where I can start filming more install stuff for you guys, for the people that do enjoy watching that kind of stuff. All right, so here's what we're gonna be installing today. We've got, as you can see here on the ground, we're gonna start with the tail tidy from NRC, and then we're also gonna do the WRS. I opted to go with the light smoke. I usually go with the dark smoke, but honestly, for you guys to be able to see, the light smoke is better. Actually, the clear is the best, but light smoke, you gotta add a little bit of, swag with it. But yeah, light smoke, I think I'm gonna swap actually all the bikes over to light smoke. And then we've got these blue grips. I think these look sick. What is the difference, Manny, between obviously the material?
So this one's called MotoGP and this one's called XM2.
Okay.
Softer, gets rid of vibration if you have any vibrations. These are a little thinner and harder grips.
Yeah.
So whichever one. I mean, you could change it even.
Let's see, I think I have these on my bikes usually, but these just look prettier. They're both really, really nice. I normally have these, so maybe we'll just try these out this time.
I mean, good thing now that you have a discount code.
I know, right?
If you don't like it, you can just be like, I want another set of grips and get yourself another set of grips.
So you can buy both. Why not? That's all I like saying. And then swap them out, man. Grips are easy and cheap. I actually have a couple of these sitting in the garage. And then we've got some Light Tech axle sliders that are gonna go here. I'm assuming, and on the front too. Yep. And then we've got the gas cap, TWM. I love these. These are the best looking gas cap in my opinion. And then we've got levers that we're gonna throw on. And then we'll get into other stuff. Like I said, this is just like a quick refresh of everything. But we're gonna do like the Brembo Master Cylinder and all that stuff too. And then we've got the Rizoma mirrors. As you guys know, I was rear-ended. Usually I would just take the mirrors off and turn my head. As you guys know, these just look awful. And half the time they're not even usable on most sport bikes. But Rizomas, they look good, as you can see on the Ducati, and they're functional. So they actually do downforce, you think? Like,
they say they do, but I don't know one person who's putting on for the downforce.
Yeah.
And so saying you're doing it because it looks good. And it gets a lot of comments. Hate comments, I love it. People come and say that, hey, downforce this and that, but who needs a super bike for the street? We're not MotoGP riders, we're not super bike riders. We're doing it because it's a lifestyle thing and it's a look thing and we want it to look better. There you go.
No, I 100% agree. You guys don't go and howl Lamborghini owners for not using their full potential of their cars on the streets. I mean, hey, but I digress. Anyways, we're gonna take the mirrors off. We got that beautiful Rizoma solution, which will be nice, but I'll add some flair. We'll figure out, you guys will see in a later video, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Tune in for these. We're gonna figure out turn signal solution so that we can retain those on here. And yeah, all right, enough yapping. Let's actually get to some wrenching. She looks exposed right now. Got my girl no undies on, man. She's out here, yeah. What's up, man? Toot it up. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. All right. Mirror one is off. That looks so much better. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Look at this dude. Honestly, one of my favorite things about Rizoma, when companies do this, especially like having a apparel company as well, I appreciate the packaging. This kind of reminds me of like Apple's packaging. Like you don't even want to throw the box away. Look at this. It's the attention to detail with like the foam in here. You know you're getting a premium product when you see this stuff, man. Beautiful. And also when peeling this off, so satisfying. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the camera, but no other feeling better than that.
Hey yo, what the?
But all right, let's throw these on. Ooh. Little wings, just getting started, baby. This is just the tip.
Got the little time-lapse camera right here. Yeah, oh, that looks way better.
Yeah, that looks so much better. It's a little thing.
That's what she said.
FastLaneD actually working.
Too much fun.
I thought you see the blade in person. How you like it?
Love it. Alright, the light smoke windshield's going on, just transferring the grommets on. We got the tail tidy figured out. Millie, coming along, day one.
Good. Yeah.
Obviously we're gonna get hyperflash because I eliminated the fronts, but like I said, we'll figure out a solution for the front turn signals. Okay. Oh.
It's too tight.
Hey, loosen it, bro. Yeah, I got that problem a lot, bro. Baker ain't used to this.
Alright, bro, alright.
He's just way too loose, man.
Nah, hell no. Out with the old and with the new.
Yeah, looking wet today. Yeah, boy. Favorite thing about new parts right here is just, it's like a nut. Let's say I might let you do this, Manny, because the one on my H2 leaked for a little bit, and then the one I put on my Ducati leaked for a little bit. Oh, yeah.
On Facebook.
Yeah.
I was showing the grinder and I found it there.
So I'm assuming you get a better feel with those because they're thinner?
Yeah. But it all depends on your preference.
Yeah. All right, guys, day one, like I said, phase one of Millie being complete is done. Some of the other stuff we're waiting on, like the exhaust, I know you guys are probably itching to get that stuff. If you didn't know, fun fact, Italy shuts down in August. So the entire month of August, they don't do any work. So we're waiting on exhaust. The exhaust that we're getting is an Italian company. That might give you a hint as to what it is, but we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna do a different headers and then a different slip-on. It'll be really cool, something different. So I said different like 20 times. It'll be something unique, something cool, and something you guys probably have not seen or heard yet. Anyways, she is looking good. Look at that. Fender limb, got the tank pad on, the gas cap. I love those grips. It looks so freaking good. Mirrors, just everything. Like I said, phase one, day one. Honestly, they weren't ready to do this, and I kind of like rushed them into it because we got the meet that's going on in Cleveland. They're hungry, so I'll stop yapping. Let's get this bike pulled outside, and we will do a little first ride video for you guys real quick. Also, once again, shout out to Moto Million. Use my code to save yourself some money, and also if you want to support the channel, we greatly appreciate it. And thank you, Manny, for staying late to help us out, man. Oh, that's so good. All right, here's Millie outside with her fresh mods. Like I said, can't wait to get this big can off here. It's gonna clean this up. Rear pegs. We have so much coming for this bike. Wheels. I don't even want to give it all away. Paint job, like this, so much. Anyways, Manny, huge shout out to him once again. He's got his beautiful Mercedes AMG E63S wagon out here. This thing is badass, and it sounds absolutely phenomenal. I don't know if the mic's picking it up. Also, we're trying out a new mic. You guys let us know what you think about it. The boys are hungry. Manny's hungry, so we're gonna go grab some food. Manny's gonna take us out and show us a nice time in Miami real quick. Let's get this cold start going. Yeah, no key, baby. And we'll do a new triple tree. So much to come for Millie. Yeah, that ain't it. Don't worry, it's coming, guys. Also, Fireblade shirts, y'all go check it out. fastlanegang.com. He's covering it up, but it's got Stay the Course and FLG at the bottom. I'm ready when you are. Let's do it. That wagon sounds sick. Guys, I'm really excited. We just hit 1 million subscribers, so it's just time to level up everything we're doing. I'm talking leveling up the bikes. This is gonna be game changer for real. Huge shout out to Manny, man. Huge shout out to Moto Million. If you want parts, if you need anything for your bike, hit them up. Use my code. Also support the channel. But yeah, it's time to level up the bikes, and not just this bike. Like, we're gonna level up all the bikes and all the future builds, Ferrari, all the future builds on the channel. We got Mako out here getting rollers for you guys. I really want to just like be producing a level of content that production wise that really no one is doing on YouTube right now. So we got Mako doing his thing. We got warehouses in the plans. I'm working on some stuff. I've taken over the distribution of my merch, so I'm gonna need somewhere to store said merch and start doing all of the fulfillment and everything. So like I said, a lot of stuff in the works, guys, and we can start doing more custom stuff. Bro, these grips look so good. Oh, I love the blue. It just kind of like ties everything together with the Rizoma mirrors. These levers feel actually really good. Usually I go with the ASVs, but these are nice, like really nice. But as always, man, I just want to say a huge shout out to you guys for supporting. I would not be in this position I'm currently in right now, able to partner with big companies like this, and I didn't realize how massive an operation Moto Million was. Like, he showed us around the warehouse and everything, and it is way bigger than I thought. Congrats to Manny and all his success, man. And as always, I'm curious to hear what you guys want to see done on this build, man. Oh, look at my baby Millie. Yes, 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 yes. Like I said, next, the can is going bye-bye with the new fender limb on there. Another big thing I'm really excited about is to get some track days in on this bike. Putting all these nice track parts on here, we got to test them out. Bro, this thing feels so good. I think wheelie control's still on here. Oh man, look at that beautiful Miami skyline too. Woo! I'm also curious to hear what you guys want to see, man. I hope you guys are enjoying these cinematics, man. And I really want to start doing more stuff like this so you guys can appreciate the beauty of these bikes. I do love Miami. Such a beautiful skyline. I still think the Fireblade is one of the most slept on bikes. I've honestly really been surprised at how much I've loved riding this thing. And we're almost at 300 miles, so we can do that break-in service and, like I said, really start pushing this thing how it's meant to be pushed. Also, it's wild how like small little upgrades like that can make this feel like a completely new bike, man. Oh, look how good this cockpit looks now with the Rizomas and the new windshield, the grips. Oh, just need some carbon here. Cover this up with some carbon, maybe. Billy. All right, so wait, what do we got here, Manny? Real quick. I know you guys are eating. I got them like mid. I was out to get some pictures of the bike.
Got 2 beef ribs.
Okay, 2 beef ribs.
And a pound and a half of brisket. Woo. Cornbread, potato salad, mac and cheese, and slaw.
Sheesh. Scale 1 to 10, big. Real quick. All right, too long, bro. 2 to 10.
I give it a solid 8.
Solid 8. Tough crowd, Manny.
8's good.
Yeah, that's true.
7, right?
That's true. All right, let me eat some yapping. Damn, it looks so sick, bro. Manny's that guy, bro. Damn, this is so sick, bro. Oh, it's beautiful. Now we're talking. We in Miami, baby. I can leave y'all with this beautiful skyline of Miami. Like I said, you're not gonna want to miss this build, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join the FastLaneD gang, babe. Woo! We got the boys, we got the views, a new partnership on the channel. Like I said, just wait. There's more to come. 1 million subs. It's time to step it up, baby. As always, work hard, be consistent. You can do anything you want in life. Your boy, Millie. Remember, stay the course out there. All right, I'm out. Peace.
Give me a
Oh, snap. Oh, you lose it so quick.